For this next problem, we're going to evaluate a 3 by 3 determinant. To evaluate this determinant, we need to choose a row to expand across. You can use any of the rows, but we're going to use the second row because it contains a 0. It'll make evaluating this a little easier. When we expand across the second row, we're going to get -1 to the 2 plus 1 power. Remember that the power on -1 is equal to the sum of the row and column entries. So we're in row 2, column 1 here, so we have 2 plus 1. And the entry is 1. Then we need our minor determinant. Since we are using row 2, column 1, our minor will be -4, 6, 2, -4. Use the remaining entries if we ignore row 2 and column 1. This will be plus -1 to the 2 plus 2 power times 4, working on the second entry, times the determinant of 2, 6, -1, -4. We're going to add -1 to the 2 plus 3 power times 0 times the determinant of 2, -4, -1, and 2. -1 to the third power is negative. So we have a -1 times the determinant, -4, 6, 2, -4. We have -1 to the fourth power is positive, so we'll get a positive 4 times the determinant, 2, 6, -1, -4. -1 to the fifth power is negative, so we'll have -0 times the determinant, 2, -4, -1, and 2. So here we'll have -1 times. Now when we do this determinant, -4 times -4 is 16. 2 times 6 is 12, so we'll have 16 minus 12. Plus 4 times, we'll get -8 minus -6. And since this is 0 times that determinant, we really don't need to evaluate that determinant because it's going to end up being 0 anyway. 16 minus 12 is 4, so we get -4 plus 4 times -8 minus -6. That's going to be -8 plus 6, so we'll get -2. And then we have 0. So we -4 plus -8, which is -12, and so our determinant is -12.